What's good, people? I'm back again. I'm always back again. I need to come up with a good catchphrase or something of some sort. Just before I get into this one, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Um, yeah, man. I'm not getting paid yet. I want to get paid. I need some money, man. So, I actually do know what this is because I had another pair, another box which has been opened, so that's probably uploaded before this. I don't know which one I'm gonna upload it, but let me just stop waffling and let's get into this one. So it's actually taped, so I'm just gonna flick this open and just give this a quick whoops. Yeah, that should be okay. So we can already tell what it is. Obviously you're gonna see the title and you're gonna know what they are. Let me just Yep. So obviously the standard Air Max box. That's a long name. Air Max 1 Ultra SE. Dark grey, black, dark grey. 9.5. I think Air Max 1 in a 9.5 is way nicer fit. It's not too big. Or any of that stuff. Oh, that was good that the invoice flew out. Let's see what these are. Yes. So Air Max 1 Ultras are very, very light. Very light, actually. Super light. Super duper light. That is amazing. I do have a few pair of Ultras. I believe they call them Ultra Moire or something like that. Moire. Yeah. So Air Max Ultras. I really like these because I know I can wear these with black tracksuits, grey tracksuits, grey jeans, black jeans, you know, so I can casual it, I can tracksuit it, I can do whatever with these. So I really like these. Very soft, very lightweight. This is gonna need a bit of crep protect. It's all just like basically like a one piece type. I don't know what they call it. Very light. I'm actually so gassed about how light they are. So let's just go through it quickly. Nike Air on the back, Air Bubble, you know, the classic. Light. It's got the lighter underneath the sole is very light. So on a normal Air Max, it will be very it will be kind of full, just so you know, saving a lot of weight to make them quite light. They look quite good. I really like them. They do look like the pictures. These are actually an eBay pickup, not a Nike pickup or Nike.com. I do believe these are kind of old, so whoever bought them most likely has got them from an outlet or some sort, probably an outlet, or you know, they just specialize in just kind of older trainers. I do really like these. If I could change something on them, I don't know why I just started saying that. I'd make like a proper tick. This is nice, but I like my tick to like be proper material. But I do know that it's a bit different because it's a lightweight model. I do have some non-lightweight models, but this is, I'm surprised at how light they actually are. I really do like these. They will look better on foot, of course. And let me just see how they end up looking. Tell me if you like these. If you like them, you do. If you don't, then you don't. And yeah, make sure like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, on foot video to follow. And stay posted, people, man. Stay posted for more. Put the bell icon, all of that good stuff. And yeah, keep watching all the videos. Take care.